In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the annoying start-stop on Audi Q5 with this small device, and we got these with it. So we will start by putting these things into these small holes here, and then this whole thing will pop up. So we can add this device in between, and then by default this should be turned off. And still, if you want to use it, you can simply turn it back on again. So let's do it now. Like I said, we'll use this, and you will put them like this. So this straight part is going outside. Put it into these small holes at the bottom, like this, straight till the end, until it clicks, and then you should be able to put this whole thing out, like this. Now you can unplug this one by pressing this part there, and then you can just pull it out. It is a bit annoying, but eventually it will go out. Put this part in between, and that's it. Return it to its place. So plug in this one here until it clicks, and now this is simply the additional part. Plug it back here to the original one again until it clicks. So we'll put installation back through the middle, so we have space to return this one, but don't forget to return these ones. So we need to remove this one now, and you do it simply by pressing like this and releasing the keys back. Same with the other side, press it here and release like this. Now once we put it back, it will simply click back into its original position. And now once we start the car, as you can see, by default it is off. How beautiful is that? If you like this device, check the link in the description of this video and order it for yourself. And that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.